Are you ready to learn how to burn fat like crazy? Hey everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that I know is on a lot of people's minds, fat burning. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or make a significant transformation, understanding how to effectively burn fat is crucial. So let's get started. Let's be real, losing weight, especially that stubborn fat, can feel like an uphill battle. We've all been there trying to fit into those jeans that just won't zip up or feeling frustrated when the scale doesn't budge despite our best efforts. You're bombarded with fat diets and intense workout routines that promise the world but rarely deliver. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information out there. One day it's all about low-carb diets, and the next, it's high-intensity interval training. The conflicting advice can leave you more confused than ever. But what if I told you there's a simpler, more sustainable way to shed those extra pounds? Imagine a method that doesn't require you to starve yourself or spend countless hours at the gym. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. And no, it doesn't involve starving yourself or living at the gym. Instead, it's about making smarter choices that align with how your body naturally works. It's about enjoying nutritious meals that fuel your body and finding activities that you actually look forward to. We're going to dive into the science of fat burning, breaking down complex concepts into easy to understand information. You'll learn about the different types of fat in your body, how they function, and most importantly, how to target them effectively. We'll explore how our bodies actually use and store energy. Did you know that not all calories are created equal? Understanding the role of macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates can make a huge difference in your fat-burning journey and will unlock your body's natural fat-burning potential. This isn't about quick fixes or magic pills. It's about empowering you with the knowledge to make lasting changes. Whether it's through regular exercise, mindful eating, or even stress management, you'll discover how to turn your body into a fat-burning powerhouse. Over the next few chapters, I'm going to break down some easy-to-follow, science-backed tips that can help you transform your body from a fat-storing machine into a fat-burning powerhouse. We'll cover everything from the food you eat to the way you move and even how you sleep. We'll cover everything from the food you eat. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in fat burning. We'll discuss which foods can boost your metabolism, how to balance your meals, and the importance of staying hydrated. You'll learn how to make delicious, healthy meals that support your fat-burning goals to the way you move. Exercise is another key component. But it's not just about hitting the gym. We'll explore different types of physical activities, from high-intensity workouts to more relaxed forms of exercise like yoga and stretching. You'll find out how to incorporate movement into your daily routine in a way that's enjoyable and sustainable. And even how you sleep. Yes, sleep is crucial for fat burning. We'll delve into the science of sleep and how it affects your metabolism. You'll get tips on how to improve your sleep quality, ensuring that your body is well rested and ready to burn fat efficiently. Stick around until the very end because I'm saving the best for last. A surprisingly simple yet incredibly effective secret weapon for torching fat that most people completely overlook. This one tip could be the game changer you've been looking for. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So get comfortable, grab a notebook, and let's embark on this fat-burning journey together. By the end of this series, you'll have all the tools you need to achieve your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Let's get started. So, how does our body decide when to burn fat and when to store it? Think of your body like a car. It needs fuel to run, and that fuel comes from the food we eat. Carbs, fats, and proteins. Carbs are like the quick-burning fuel, giving you immediate energy. Fats are the long-lasting fuel reserves, stored for when you need them. And protein? Well, protein is like the building block, essential for maintaining and repairing your body's tissues. Now, here's where things get interesting. Your body prefers to use carbs for energy first. It's the easiest and fastest way to get that quick burst of fuel. But, and this is a big but, when you consume more carbs than your body needs for immediate energy, guess what happens? That's right, it gets stored as fat. So to unlock your fat burning potential, we need to shift your body from relying on carbs to tapping into those fat reserves. And that's where the magic of fat burning really begins. Now let's talk about the role of movement in your fat burning journey. When it comes to shedding those extra pounds, exercise is definitely your friend. But not all exercises are created equal. You've got your cardio like running, swimming or biking, which is great for burning calories in the moment. Then you have your strength training, think lifting weights or body weight exercises, which helps build muscle mass. Now here's the thing, while cardio might burn more calories during the workout itself, building muscle with strength training is like igniting your internal fat-burning furnace, even when you're not hitting the gym. That's because muscle is metabolically active, meaning it burns more calories at rest compared to fat. So, the more muscle you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate and the more calories you burn throughout the day, even while you sleep. Alright, we've talked about diet and exercise, but there's another crucial piece of the fat-burning puzzle that often gets overlooked. Sleep. Yes, sleep. It's not just a time for your body to rest and recharge. It's a critical component of your overall health and well-being. When we think about weight loss, we often focus on what we eat and how much we move, but sleep is the silent partner in this equation. Without adequate sleep, all your efforts in the gym and the kitchen might not yield the results you're hoping for. You heard right. Getting enough shut-eye isn't just about feeling refreshed. It directly impacts your body's ability to torch those stubborn fat stores. When you sleep well, your body undergoes a series of restorative processes that are essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. During deep sleep, your body repairs tissues, builds muscle, and releases hormones that regulate your appetite and energy levels. This means that a good night's sleep can set you up for a day of healthy eating and effective workouts. See, when you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of a hormone called cortisol, often dubbed the stress hormone. Cortisol is released in response to stress and low blood glucose concentration. While it plays a vital role in our body's fight or flight response, chronic elevation of cortisol levels can lead to a host of health issues, including weight gain. When you're not getting enough sleep, your body perceives this as a form of stress, leading to increased cortisol production. And while cortisol plays a vital role in our response to stress, chronically elevated levels can wreak havoc on your metabolism and lead to, you guessed it, increased fat storage, especially around the midsection. This is because cortisol can increase your appetite and cravings for high-calorie foods, leading to overeating and weight gain. Additionally, cortisol can cause your body to store fat in the abdominal area, which is associated with a higher risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. No one wants that. It's frustrating to put in the effort to eat right and exercise, only to see minimal results because of poor sleep. But understanding the connection between sleep and weight gain can empower you to make changes that will support your health and fitness goals. By prioritizing sleep, you can help regulate your cortisol levels and improve your body's ability to burn fat. So, how does this happen? Let's dive a little deeper into the science behind it. When you don't get enough sleep, your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm gets disrupted. This disruption affects the production of hormones that regulate hunger and satiety, such as ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, often called the hunger hormone, increases when you're sleep deprived, making you feel hungrier. On the other hand, leptin, which signals fullness, decreases, making it harder for you to feel satisfied after eating. Well, cortisol's main job is to provide energy during stressful situations. It does this by increasing glucose availability in the bloodstream, which is great if you need a quick burst of energy to escape danger. However, in our modern world, stress often comes from non-physical threats, like work deadlines or financial worries, and doesn't require a physical response. As a result, the extra glucose gets stored as fat, particularly in the abdominal area. When you're constantly tired, your body perceives as stress, triggering cortisol release. This creates a vicious cycle where lack of sleep leads to increased cortisol, which in turn makes it harder to sleep, perpetuating the cycle. Additionally, when you're tired, you're more likely to reach for caffeine and sugary snacks to get through the day, further disrupting your sleep patterns and contributing to weight gain. This in turn signals your body to hold on to fat, especially visceral fat, which is the dangerous kind that surrounds your organs. But that's not all. Visceral fat is not just a passive storage of excess calories. It actively contributes to inflammation and insulin resistance, which can lead to metabolic disorders. This type of fat is particularly harmful because it's located near vital organs like the liver, pancreas, and intestines, increasing the risk of serious health issues. High cortisol also messes with your hunger hormones, making you crave sugary, fatty foods, further sabotaging your fat-burning efforts. When you're sleep deprived, your brain's reward centers become more responsive to unhealthy foods, making it harder to resist temptation. This can lead to a cycle of poor eating habits and weight gain, as your body craves quick energy sources to compensate for the lack of rest. So getting enough sleep is non-negotiable if you're serious about reaching your weight loss goals. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your body's natural fat-burning processes. Create a bedtime routine that helps you wind down and relax, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing mindfulness meditation. Avoid screens and caffeine before bed, and make your sleep environment as comfortable and dark as possible. By prioritizing sleep, you'll not only feel better, but also see better results in your weight loss journey. Alright guys, ready for a game changer. Today we're diving into a revolutionary approach to eating that has taken the health and fitness world by storm. It's called intermittent fasting, or IF for short. This isn't just another diet fad, it's a lifestyle change that can transform your body and mind. We're about to unlock the power of a simple yet incredibly effective strategy for boosting your fat-burning potential: intermittent fasting. Imagine being able to eat the foods you love while still shedding those extra pounds. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Intermittent fasting is all about timing your meals to maximize your body's natural fat-burning capabilities. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. In fact, many people find it easier to stick to than traditional diets. You don't have to count calories or restrict certain food groups. Instead, you focus on when you eat, not what you eat. This can make it a more sustainable and enjoyable way to achieve your health goals. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is not about what you eat, but when you eat. It's a pattern of eating that alternates between periods of fasting and eating. There are several different methods of intermittent fasting, but they all revolve around the same basic principle: giving your body a break from constant digestion so it can focus on other important processes, like burning fat and repairing cells. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, typically for a specific window of time each day or week. For example, one popular method is the 16-8 approach, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Another method is the 5.2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict your calorie intake for 2 non-consecutive days. The flexibility of intermittent fasting allows you to choose a method that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Now, before you jump to conclusions, IF is not about starving yourself. It's about strategically timing your meals to optimize your body's natural fat-burning abilities. During the fasting period, you can still drink water, coffee, and other non-caloric beverages to stay hydrated and curb hunger. The goal is to extend the period your body spends in a fasted state, which can enhance fat loss and improve overall health. Here's the basic idea. When you eat, your body uses the energy from the food you consume. This energy comes in the form of glucose, which is stored in your liver and muscles as glycogen. When you fast and your body depletes its glucose stores, it turns to stored fat for fuel. This process is known as ketosis. and it's the key to unlocking the fat-burning potential of intermittent fasting. But when you fast and your body depletes its glucose stores, it turns to stored fat for fuel. This metabolic switch is where the magic happens. By extending the fasting period, you give your body more time to burn fat, which can lead to significant weight loss over time. Plus, fasting can also help regulate your hormones, improve your metabolism, and increase your energy levels. This metabolic switch is where the magic happens. When your body shifts from burning glucose to burning fat, you enter a state of ketosis. This not only helps you lose weight, but also provides a steady source of energy that can improve your mental clarity and focus. Many people report feeling more alert and productive during their fasting periods. Intermittent fasting essentially extends the period your body spends burning fat for energy, leading to more efficient fat loss over time. But the benefits don't stop there. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help prevent type 2 diabetes. It also reduces inflammation, which is linked to a variety of chronic diseases, and promotes cellular repair through a process called autophagy. Plus, it comes with a whole host of other health benefits, like improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and even cellular repair. By giving your body regular breaks from digestion, you allow it to focus on repairing and rejuvenating itself. This can lead to better overall health, increased longevity, and a greater sense of well-being. So are you ready to give intermittent fasting a try? Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the incredible benefits of this powerful eating strategy. There you have it. 4 easy, actionable ways to turn your body into a fat-burning machine. Control your diet, stay active, prioritize sleep, and try intermittent fasting. But remember, consistency is key. Small steps lead to big results over time. Now, I have a question for you, Shei. What's one thing you're willing to try this week to help your body burn fat? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. See you in the next video. And until then, keep crushing your goals.